In 2025, small business owners face a new legal risk, and most have no idea about it. It's called the Corporate Transparency Act, and it requires you to file a BOIR, a Beneficial Ownership Information Report. If you don't file it, you could face penalties up to $500 per day, plus criminal charges. Today, I'll explain what BOIR is, who must file, how to file, and how to avoid these penalties legally. Why BOIR exists. The government introduced BOIR to prevent money laundering, shell companies, tax fraud, and terrorist financing. Basically, they want to know who is the real owner behind the business. Who must file? If you own any of the following, you must file: LLC, single or multi-member, S-Corporation, C-Corporation, partnerships, some trusts, foreign entities registered in the U.S. Even if your business makes zero revenue, you must file. Deadlines. If your business was created before January 1, 2024, deadline is January 1, 2025. If created during 2024, file within 90 days of formation. Businesses formed after January 1, 2025 must file within 30 days. Penalty for late filing, $500 per day. Intentional fraud, up to 2 years prison plus $10,000 fine. Step-by-step filing. You'll file BOIR at fincen.gov, not IRS. To file, you need legal name, EIN number, business address, owner's name, owner's date of birth, owner's home address, and ID proof of license or passport upload. All uploaded images must be clear and readable. Documents you need: acceptable ID for BOIR, passport, driver's license, state ID. School ID not allowed. Business cards not acceptable. Take photos in good lighting, no blur. Stop. Who is exempt? These businesses do not need to file. Banks, insurance companies, accounting firms, public corporations, nonprofits registered with the IRS, large companies with 20+ employees and $5 million in revenue. Most small businesses are not exempt. Common mistakes. Nobody using business address as personal address. Nobody uploading blurry ID photos. Nobody not updating ownership changes. Nobody ignoring deadline. Nobody assuming CPA will handle it automatically. Nobody reminder you are legally responsible, not your CPA. How AI can help. Use Google Lens or ChatGPT Vision to scan documents. Use Canva or Adobe Scan to enhance ID clarity. Use AI reminders to track deadlines. Store documents in encrypted cloud files like Google Drive. End warning. Recap. The Corporate Transparency Act is here, and you cannot ignore it. If you own an LLC, corporation, or partnership, file BOIR. It's free, easy, and saves you from huge penalties. Stay compliant, protect your business. More legal strategies coming your way. Subscribe to Tax Loophole Hub.